Welcome to iHeartHealth. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that's sure to open your eyes. Literally. We're talking about 20 herbs that protect your eyes and repair vision. Before we begin, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights. Now let's get started. Eyes are one of the most important organs in our body, yet they are often neglected. With increasing screen time, pollution, and unhealthy lifestyle choices, our eyes are constantly under stress. But did you know that certain herbs can help protect your eyes and even improve your vision? Let's explore some of these amazing herbs and how they work. First on our list is bilberry. Bilberry is a close relative of the blueberry and is packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. These compounds help improve blood circulation in the eyes, strengthen the capillaries, and protect the retina from damage. Studies have shown that bilberry can help with conditions like cataracts, glaucoma, and age-related macular degeneration. Adding bilberry to your diet, whether in the form of fresh berries, tea, or supplements, can provide significant benefits for your eye health. Next up is ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba is well known for its memory-boosting properties, but it's also beneficial for eye health. This herb improves blood flow to the eyes and can help in preventing retinal damage. Ginkgo biloba is especially effective in managing glaucoma and macular degeneration. It can be consumed as a tea or in supplement form. Regular use of ginkgo biloba can lead to better vision and overall eye health. Moving on, we have saffron. Yes, the same expensive spice used in cooking can do wonders for your eyes. Saffron is rich in antioxidants, including crocin and quercetin, which help protect the lens and retina from oxidative stress and damage. Studies have indicated that saffron can improve visual acuity and reduce the symptoms of age-related macular degeneration. You can incorporate saffron into your diet by adding it to your meals or drinking saffron-infused tea. Next up is turmeric. This is another powerful herb for eye health. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, turmeric can help protect the eyes from various ailments. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has been shown to protect the retina from degeneration and improve vision. Turmeric can be consumed in various forms, such as in your meals, as a tea, or in supplement form. Regular intake of turmeric can lead to better eye health and protection against diseases. Next up is eyebright. This is an herb that has been traditionally used to treat eye conditions. As the name suggests, eyebright is great for brightening up your eyes and maintaining eye health. It has anti-inflammatory and astringent properties that help in reducing eye irritation and fatigue. Eyebright is particularly useful for treating conjunctivitis, blepharitis, and other inflammatory eye conditions. You can use eyebright in the form of eye drops, tea, or as a compress to soothe your eyes and improve vision. We can't talk about herbs for eye health without mentioning green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, particularly catechins, which protect the eyes from oxidative stress and damage. Drinking green tea regularly can help reduce the risk of developing cataracts, glaucoma, and macular degeneration. It also helps in reducing eye strain caused by prolonged screen time. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine can provide a significant boost to your eye health. Next, let's discuss goji berries. These bright red berries are a staple in traditional Chinese medicine and are known for their eye-protecting properties. Goji berries are rich in zeaxanthin, an antioxidant that protects the retina and reduces the risk of age-related eye diseases. They also improve overall visual function and protect against UV light damage. You can eat goji berries as a snack, add them to your smoothies, or take them in supplement form to benefit your eyes. Next is fennel, which is another herb that can work wonders for your eyes. Fennel seeds contain nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, and antioxidants that are essential for maintaining healthy eyes. Fennel can help in improving vision, reducing inflammation, and preventing eye disorders. You can consume fennel seeds by chewing them, making fennel tea, or using fennel-infused water to wash your eyes. Next up is aloe vera. Aloe vera is renowned for its healing properties, and it's also great for your eyes. It contains antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help in reducing inflammation, soothing irritated eyes, and improving vision. You can use aloe vera gel as eye drops or consume aloe vera juice to reap its benefits. Regular use of aloe vera can help keep your eyes healthy and improve your vision. Next up is carrot seed oil, a very potent remedy for eye health. This oil is rich in beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining good vision and overall eye health. Carrot seed oil can help in preventing cataracts, macular degeneration, and other eye diseases. You can use carrot seed oil in your cooking as a supplement or apply it topically around your eyes. Next up is chamomile. Chamomile is well known for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help in reducing eye irritation, swelling, and fatigue. Chamomile tea can be used as an eye wash or a compress to soothe tired eyes and improve vision. Drinking chamomile tea regularly can also help in maintaining overall eye health. Our next herb is calendula. Calendula, also known as marigold, is another herb with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that benefit eye health. Calendula can help in reducing eye irritation, swelling, and redness. It also helps in preventing macular degeneration and cataracts. You can use calendula in the form of eye drops, tea, or as a compress to benefit your eyes. Next up, we have amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. Amla is a powerhouse of nutrients, particularly vitamin C, which is essential for eye health. It helps in improving vision, reducing the risk of cataracts, and protecting the eyes from oxidative stress. You can consume amla in various forms, such as fresh fruit, juice, or in supplement form. Regular intake of amla can provide significant benefits for your eyes. Next is moringa, also known as the drumstick tree, is packed with nutrients that are beneficial for eye health. It contains vitamins A, C, and E, all of which are crucial for maintaining good vision. Moringa also has antioxidants that help protect the eyes from oxidative stress and damage. You can consume moringa leaves in salads, soups, or as a powder mixed into your drinks to boost your eye health. Next, let's talk about cilantro. Cilantro, or coriander, is not just a flavorful herb, but also a great source of eye-friendly nutrients. It contains vitamins A and C, antioxidants, and beta-carotene, all of which contribute to healthy eyes and better vision. Adding fresh cilantro to your meals or using it in juices can provide your eyes with essential nutrients and protection. Next is rosemary. This is another herb known for its medicinal properties, including benefits for eye health. Rosemary contains antioxidants that protect the eyes from free radical damage and improve blood circulation. It can help in reducing the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. You can use rosemary in your cooking, as a tea, or in essential oil form to support your eye health. Moving on, we have parsley. Parsley is rich in vitamins A and C, both of which are essential for maintaining good vision. It also contains flavonoids that help protect the eyes from oxidative damage. Adding parsley to your diet, whether fresh, dried, or as a juice, can provide your eyes with the nutrients they need to stay healthy and function properly. Next is milk thistle. This is an herb that's often used to support liver health, but it's also beneficial for your eyes. Milk thistle contains silymarin, an antioxidant that protects the eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation. It can help in preventing age-related eye conditions and improving overall eye health. You can take milk thistle in supplement form or as a tea to reap its benefits. Next is Brahmi, also known as Bacopa monnieri, is a herb used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine. It is known for its cognitive benefits, but it also has properties that support eye health. Brahmi helps in reducing oxidative stress and improving blood circulation, which are crucial for maintaining healthy eyes. You can consume Brahmi in the form of capsules, tea, or powder to enhance your vision and eye health. Lastly, let's discuss dandelion. Dandelion is often considered a weed, but it has numerous health benefits, including for your eyes. It contains beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body, essential for good vision. Dandelion also has antioxidants that protect the eyes from damage and reduce the risk of eye diseases. You can use dandelion greens in salads, teas, or as a supplement to support your eye health. These herbs, when incorporated into your daily routine, can provide further protection for your eyes and improve your vision. Just like the ones we discussed earlier, these herbs offer a natural way to maintain and enhance your eye health. Thanks for watching iHeartHealth. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Your eyes will thank you!